Going on, my diggity dogs. Been in about 3 weeks now.
Yes.
We're like in public with like loads of people, but for some reason I'm not really feeling embarrassed. We're at the park and like, as respectful citizens would do, we are completely taking up the car park.
We are not.
And cooking bacon.
Look,
Nah, look, there's no car park like over here, so we're just cooking up some bacon over here. Right next to the bin, which is smelly.
Karen's doing some cooking while I do the laundry.
Yeah, so I got some bacon cooking up there. I'm about to make a tea. Bondi's cleaning up the van. Got some clothes hanging. We got this, which is going to be showcased in a little bit later. Ooh. And we got a big gas bottle too, which is like cool. But
we actually have a shower now.
yeah, we got a shower. That's what that little tent's for, because that little tent is like a shower tent. Pops out. It's really cool. We'll show you guys later. But yeah, first shower. We're probably just going to do it here. Probably just because it's not really a big deal. Probably if we use any soap, we're going to try to get it into a bucket so we don't just pollute the ground. But yeah, you guys will see that soon. I'm going to go finish cooking up, and then when we're done cooking up, we'll show you guys what's going on. Peace! They come.
We've had our breakfast, hey Ty?
Yeah.
And we've somewhat cleaned up the van, like the dishes are done and the bed's made. We just got to put a few things away. But Tyron's going to have his first shower. Well, not first shower. That sounds terrible.
I've never showered in my life.
Yeah.
There's condensation in there, that's what it is.
Yeah.
So as you just saw me set up, it's our kick-ass, what's it called? Shower awning. It takes like 5 seconds to set up, pretty easy.
It has the option to take it down too.
Yeah. That's that. Yeah, that's the awning thing set up. We're setting up the shower now.
Yeah.
So this one just plugs in here. Probably should take the keys off. Annoying. And that.
Yeah.
And I'll run that down under and into our shower.
I need to unzip it.
Because I'm stupid. Is that long enough? Okay.
Just turn the other thing around.
Like that?
Yeah.
And that's just up there. We'll probably just hold it, but for now it's just sitting up there. Okay. And our water pump.
Mm-hmm.
This one just submerges in the bucket.
And plugs into the other piece. And then the little black cord. Yep.
Cool. Gas bottle.
Mm-hmm. You want to tell them about the funny story?
Oh yeah, you can if you like.
We thought this thing was faulty. I like rang up the Companion, which is the brand. I rang up and spoke to Companion, which is the brand that makes these, because we thought ours was faulty because it wasn't igniting. We tried several gas hoses. We found the one that is recommended basically nowhere. We can't actually find a recommendation. Tyron found it in a review.
Yeah, that's pretty dumb.
And then it still wasn't working, so Tyron shook the gas bottle and couldn't really hear anything. So we went and got it filled up, and the gas bottle was empty the whole time.
Yeah, we're stupid. I thought it came like pre-filled, but like it doesn't. So I had to get it filled up.
So fill up your gas bottles.
Yeah. But yeah, next part.
Also, Australia's like out of propane.
Yeah, there's none of the little green propane things like anywhere. Yeah. What's next though? Alright, so that's why we're running the gas bottle. But so this one just screws in down under here. Yeah, there's a really specific hose you have to find. But yeah, once that's screwed in, you just screw the other end onto the gas bottle. and then it works. It's riding tidy, I believe. Yep. Sweet, that's on there, that's on there. I guess we're ready to do it.
Yeah. Grab yeah, put that in the holders. It's so weird not having a roof on the shower.
It is a bit weird, yeah.
So it has like little like soap and shampoo holder thing.
Yeah, they're pretty useful. So we just got our stuff up in here.
So Tyron's gonna have his first shower.
Yeah, we'll give it a go.
Are you nervous? Because there's like people everywhere.
Nah, it's all good.
We're literally like right on the beach.
So we'll get it started.
But just like a little FYI, we're putting all like shampoo and stuff into a bucket. So
Yeah,
it's not just going all over the ground.
Yeah, so there's not just soap and
We're not
shampoo.
just gonna like pollute the ocean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're not that stupid, but yeah. That's why like it may be a bit awkward that we're in a car park.
Yeah.
But like, oh yeah, I just don't want to run soap everywhere, so we're gonna have to put the bucket on the ground, and there's it has our dishwashing stuff in there too, which we'll dispose of.
It's just that, all our grey water.
Yeah.
So we'll just dispose of that when we're done.
Yeah. So you gotta open up the gas bottle.
Yep.
You hear that? It's going. It's open, and then you go down onto this, and you turn it on.
And then it shows you your battery.
Which is full charge.
Yeah.
And your temperatures. And
our temperatures.
Start.
So right now the water going in is at 23 degrees and the water coming out is at 22, so it hasn't ignited yet.
Once I start it running, it will.
Yeah.
So if you want to come in here and show it.
I got it from this angle.
Pardon?
Got it from here.
So
on the shower head, there's controls. And it's transferring the water.
Is it on?
And it is somewhat ignited. It's flashing, Karen.
Is it on E3 or?
No, it's just like, it's not a solid light.
Oh.
I think it's fine.
There you go. Yep, that's hot.
Yep, so that means it's ignited. And the water's getting hotter.
Yep.
It's at 31 degrees, 32.
Yep.
And so on. So now Tyron can have a nice warm shower.
Which I will do right now off camera. Alright, shower's done. In this bad boy. It was pretty awkward because like there was heaps of people driving past, like, what's going on, you know, but I didn't end up like using soap on my body. we're gonna do it later because like
We're gonna shower on grass where we're not gonna bother anyone.
yeah, so we're gonna go shower on grass where it's like not gonna matter, and we're gonna buy like some Earth's Choice like shower gel kind of thing, so then it's not bad for the environment. But yeah, I got the hair done, just washed it into the bucket and stuff. It was pretty awesome, worked really well, really hot. I 100% recommend the product. It's a companion aqua heat, but
Hit us up if you need to know what hose to use.
yeah, if you buy one, just ask us for the hose because it's quite hard to find, but I'll put a link in the description of where to get the hose from. We're going to be driving up to Rainbow Beach a bit later though, like after we're done packing up the van. So we'll be there about 2 or 3 in the afternoon, and then we'll be there tomorrow as well. We will see you then, like when we're driving or getting groceries or something.
We're done and we're packed up.
Moving up.
Shower's packed up. Van is like 98% clean.
Sure, yeah.
What was that for?
No, it is.
Tyron is Tyron is moisturising himself. What are we doing now?
Going to get food and then going.
We're going to get groceries before we go to Rainbow Beach because we don't know what the town's like or if it's going to be expensive or yeah, so we're getting groceries while we're here. To Coles and got our groceries. Oh, there's some more, some potatoes. Got enough for like the next couple of days, if not longer. Yeah. We also went to Kmart and just picked up a couple of things like this washing basket for the shower. And then we're going to Bunnings so we can get like an extra fuel drum. Right? Going to get an extra fuel drum. And then we're going to Rainbow Beach! Next stop is Bunnings. We're on our way now. It's about a 2-hour drive. We got a full tank of fuel and we got a jerry can because there's not many fuel stops after Gympie. But it's only an hour from Gympie, so we'll probably see you when we get there.
Yeah.
We just had our little pit stop to get some fuel.
Yeah?
At Gympie. Now we have like an hour left.
Yeah, it's still quite a while, eh?
Yeah, I'm really over it already. I have a headache. You ready?
Yeah. Got spare fuel just in case.
Yeah, we filled up a jerry can. And we've got a full tank of fuel now. Again. It's only an hour, so we would have been fine, but just better safe than sorry.
Yeah.
Alright, bye.
Where are we, Bondi?
We're at Rainbow Beach.
Yeah, we made it. At the beach.
It's really
Rainbow
cool.
Beach. There's like rainbow seats and stuff like just there. And the beach is just down there. So we're gonna go check it out and have a look. It looks a bit overcast right now, but we're just gonna go for.
It's supposed to rain tomorrow, but the rest of the week should be clear.
Yeah, it might rain tomorrow. So we're gonna go check it out, maybe film some stuff, but if not, we'll see you guys probably a bit later.
Hi. It's the next morning.
Oh.
We anyway, what did we even do yesterday?
Parked
up.
Nothing.
Do we even cook?
I ate a croissant.
Taryn had a croissant for dinner. We went to sleep in some street. I mean, no, we just went to sleep. And now we're back at the park. I don't know if did we show the park?
No, I didn't show the park.
Oh, we're at a park. And I found this morning. This is pretty cool. It's from Harvey Bay, but I found it at Rainbow Beach. How cute. I'm pretty happy about that. And now we're going for a little walk. We found a skate park too. Tyron has his skateboard in the van.
Yeah, the skate park just behind me.
So we might go over there. But now we're just going for a little walk on the beach because what do you do if you don't have a four-wheel drive? There's sand in the bed. Okay. Yeah. Back from our little beach walk now, and we found a little car park by the beach. Right, buddy?
Yeah.
And there's the beach. Alright, I'm gonna clean the van and then make some food and then maybe go to the skate park or something.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Update. Oh, my postcard. I bought postcards. That's my update. I bought 10 postcards for $1.
Yeah, so.
Now we're at the skate park. Taryn's gone for a little skatey skate.
Yeah.
We went for a walk all the way like down through Rainbow Beach looking for paint because I wanted to paint rocks and leave them in places for other people to find like I found this morning. But there's no paint. I don't sell paint.
Yo. Good Bondi cooking up in the kitchen.
I don't do shit.
Huh?
I don't even do anything.
Well, no, I mean, it's more me, but...
Tyrone Ramsey.
So this is Tyrone Ramsey's setup. Yes, we're in the middle of a park, but, like, ignore that fact. I am Tyrone Ramsey. Alright, let me continue. Got the gravy burner right here. Boom.
Burning.
No, it's not in yet. It's in there. We've got where the sausage and bejes is going. Potato boiling. And steamable veggies ready to go once the potatoes are a bit more cooked. Music vibing. And I don't know if it was showing the camera, but I like full smacked myself in the face with the keys because I thought that, you know, I'm not even going to explain it, but yeah, I've had a very severe injury and it's really bad. That's the setup. It's probably going to be the last part of the vlog, eh?
Yeah, dude, we're probably going to go park up at the vacant lot where we stayed last night and go to bed.
Yeah, I hope you liked the drone stuff a bit earlier and like the beach shots because I tried to get a couple shots on the beach, so hopefully you guys like that. I know this wasn't really like an overly packed vlog, but like there should be more to come. We're going to be doing some work soon, hopefully, so we don't know if we can record any of that, but we'll see what we got coming. We'll show you dinner, and then after that we'll probably end the vlog. But I'll see you when dinner's ready. Dinner's ready. Well, not fully plated up yet, but here's my...
We had 4 sausages because we're fatty.
Here's my behemoth of a meal. Lots of veggies and...
What does that mean?
Like 4 big rods.
And we got gravy coming, but...
Gravy over there. This is our dinner.
Come see if this is too hot. We had dinner. I did the dishes with Tyronius. Cleaned up the van a little bit. It's pretty clean now, hey?
Don't turn it around.
Don't turn it around.
No, we're not showing
The
that.
bed's a little bit messy, but we're about to clean that off. And then we're going to park up where we parked up last night and go sleep. We hope you enjoyed our Rainbow Beach 2-day vlog. It's probably a bit mundane, but there wasn't a lot to do. So we're going to head off again soon. Probably tomorrow. Which will be, what day will it be tomorrow? Friday the 18th of June. See more of us. Subscribe to our channel. Right? And follow our Instagram account at bondiandtyrone.
That's it.
Have fun.
Bye.
Bye.